Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A54 and let me show you 8 different secret codes which you can use on this device. So let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known. It is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one. It is *pound 07 pound. And thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code. I would say that it is quite technical. It should open the phone software information. It is *pound 6776 pound. And as I said, we are in a software version, so here we can check the info like the model, kernel, master date, branch version, build time, carrier version, and so on and so on. So as I said, quite technical info. So let me show you another third or fourth code actually, and it will open the hardware revision. It is *pound 888 pound. And as I said, we are in the engineer mode, so here we can check the PCB number. What's more, we can scan this QR code with another device and receive some hardware info about this one, about this OPPO. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the Diagnostics, and it is provided by Google. It is *pound 426 pound *. And as I said, we are in a Diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or signal level. What's more, after tapping on events, we can open some more info. Let's tap on this 3 dots icon and tap on advanced view, and after tapping on the status you can show and check much more advanced options, advanced settings and info, for example like heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *pound 225 pound *. And as I said, we are in a calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to enter if you'd like to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the feedback menu. It is *pound 800 pound. And here we've got the statement, so simply tap on agree, and as you can see here we've got the menu, and thanks to which we are able to report bugs. What's more, here we've got the info that you will be able to record some problems you meet in this device and then show them to the developer. So for example, if you've got some problems, some issues with phone calls, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, stability, third-party apps or power usage and so on, then you will be able to report them. So let me pick for example the touch. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to turn on the screen recording. So thanks to this, you will your device will record everything that happens on the screen. So I will pick to always allow, and as you can see right now this option is turned on. So if you'd like to record the touch, obviously touch in my case because you can record actually everything, simply tap on start, and as you can just continue, and as you can see we've got the pointer location applied right now, and thanks to this your device will record actually all the touches in my case and will catch the area where it actually do not work. As you can see in my case the screen works in actually all of the areas, so that's good. But if your won't work, and then you will be able to catch it. So so I want to okay, let's tap on next, and thanks to tapping on next, then your device will process the log and it will process the screen recording. So let's wait a second. Okay, and as you can see, we just got back to actually the very first menu, and we had the info that our bugs, our logs had been saved. so we can check them. Let's tap on this message icon, and as you can see here, we've got the saved recording, which should show what kind of problems we meet, and then you will be able to send it. What's more, after tapping on this 2 dots icon, you can tap on edit, and here you will be able to remove it or rename it. So let me get back, and actually that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one, which is, I think, the easiest one. It is *1234#. And as you can see, we've got the firmware version right here, and I would like to end this video with that. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your OPPO A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.